Real estate investing isn't just about buying a house and renting it out. There are several strategies you can use to grow your wealth. Let's explore the different types of real estate investing so you can find the best fit for your investment goals. Owning real estate properties is the classic real estate investment. You buy a property, find tenants, and collect the rent. It's a great way to generate steady income while your property, hopefully, increases in value. Perfect for those who are handy with repairs and enjoy managing properties. If you've ever watched a home renovation show, you know house flipping. Buy a property, fix it up, and sell it for a profit. It's all about finding the right fixer-upper and managing your renovation budget wisely. Ideal for those who love a good project and have a keen eye for potential. Real estate investment groups are like small mutual funds for rental properties. You invest in a company that buys or builds a set of properties and then rents them out. You can own one or multiple units, but the company manages them, making it less hands-on than owning rentals directly. Great for those who want rental income without the landlord duties. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They're traded like stocks, offering a more liquid form of real estate investment. These are a solid choice if you're looking for easy entry into the real estate market and regular dividends. Online real estate platforms. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with others. You can invest in large-scale projects like apartment buildings or commercial real estate without needing huge amounts of capital. Suitable for those looking to diversify their investments and are comfortable with a bit more risk. There's a real estate investment strategy out there for every type of investor. Whether you're hands-on or prefer a more passive approach, these options offer exciting opportunities to grow your portfolio. Dive in, do your research, and watch your investment dreams turn into reality. Stay up to date on what's happening in the current real estate market, and for more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thank you for listening.